What's your name? Huh? Radhika. Radhika is asking that procrastination. That procrastination is really a problem, and I'm sure procrastination must be a problem for all of you. So procrastination becomes a problem where what we really have to do, we would just postpone it beyond further and further, and we would never really get to what we really want to do. At this point, we have to ask that what we are really procrastinating, do we really know why we are doing it? The work that we are doing, not procrastination, the work that we are doing, do we have an insight? हमें क्या किसी ने बताया है कि ये करना होता है इसीलिए हम कर रहे हैं? ये क्या हमारे लिए एक फॉर्मेलिटी है? जब तक जो हम कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में हमारा कोई एक डीपर इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, देयर इज नॉट अ सर्टेन क्लैरिटी about the thing that we are pursuing, then procrastination would be your buddy. आप जो भी करोगे उसमें आप procrastinate ही करते रहोगे उसको, जब तक आप ये नहीं जानते कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो क्यों कर रहे हो exactly, until unless you are absolutely clear or at least somewhat clear about why you are doing the thing that you are doing, not just because you are told, not just because it will give you some marks, or not just because it will result into something. Every other distraction you would welcome. हम कुछ काम करने बैठेंगे, मक्खी भी उड़ रही होगी ना तो वो हमें इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लगेगी अचानक से, अरे देखो कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हम करने बैठे हैं वो उस मक्खी से भी कम रेलेवेंट है. वो मक्खी उसके सामने इतनी रेलेवेंट बन जाती है क्योंकि जो हम करने बैठे हैं वो हमें उसमें कुछ इंसाइट ही नहीं है. हम उसको इनवर्डली शायद बस जबरदस्ती ही कर रहे हैं. फोर्सफुली वी हैव जस्ट made ourselves to do that work. We have forced ourselves to do that work. We really don't know why we are doing what we are doing, and that is why any distraction just simply takes us away. We have to understand that why we are doing what we are doing. Until we do not understand that, procrastination would be always around the corner. कि मैं करने बैठा हूं और कुछ आ जाता है और फिर मैं दूसरी चीज करने लग जाता हूं और फिर मैं सोचता हूं कि मैं 10 मिनट बात कर दूं, मैं 15 मिनट बात कर दूं, क्योंकि जो मैं करने बैठा हूं मैं वाकई में जानता नहीं हूं मैं क्यों करने बैठा हूं. और जब तक मुझे पता नहीं होगा कि मैं क्यों से वाकई में कर रहा हूं, जब तक ये क्यों आंसर नहीं होगा, तब तक procrastination would always be there present in our every task. Until there is that clarity, we would always struggle with this distraction. We would always struggle with motivation, because what we are doing has a motive. The thing that we are doing in itself is not interesting. The thing that we are doing is in itself not exciting, and when that is not there, you find that you are procrastinating it. जब जो आप चीज कर रहे हो उसमें एक्साइटमेंट है, उसमें there is this fun involved, you really like, you are deeply invested in it. No amount of distraction could really take that away from you, could take your attention away from you. बाहर कुछ भी हो रहा होगा, probably आपकी शायद फोन कॉल भी आ रही होंगी, you would just look at a glance and you would just shut that away, because the thing that you are involved in right now is really exciting, is really interesting, and because it is interesting, because it is exciting, all the other so-called distractions would become almost meaningless, would not excite you at all. जितनी बड़ी, ये एक सिंपल सी इक्वेशन है, जितनी बड़ी जितनी एक्साइटिंग हमें वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन लग रही है इज सिंपली इक्वल्स टू कि उतना ही ना जरूरी गैर जरूरी वो काम है, उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है वो काम. और जितनी छोटी हमें डिस्ट्रैक्शन लगेगी, जितनी इजीली हम डिस्ट्रैक्शन को वी वुड जस्ट सिंपली पास इट अवे और वी वुड सिंपली वी विल बी एबल टू इग्नोर इट. उसका मतलब ही यही होगा कि हमने जो काम कर रहे हैं हम वो उसकी अपने आप में इंपॉर्टेंस है. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज सिंपली बट योर understanding of how the thing, how important that thing is to you. जितनी वो कम इंपॉर्टेंट होगी उतनी ही वो ज्यादा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट होगी, जितनी वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगी उतना ही हम पाएंगे कि जो भी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं दे आर नॉट रियली एबल टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट अस, they are not really able to take our attention away from it, because the thing that we are involved in is so goddamn dear to us that no distraction can take us away from it. कुछ भी आ जाएगा, आसपास माहौल में हो रही होंगी 10 चीजें, लेकिन क्योंकि I am so completely immersed into this thing, I wouldn't bother what is happening outside of me, because this thing has gripped me. And in some ways I have become it and it is me. और जब ऐसा होता है तो कोई भी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन नहीं काम आती, कुछ भी नहीं चलता ना, neither you procrastinate, neither you get distracted, neither you have a crisis of attention, none of that. And that only happens when you have a direct insight into what you are doing. That only happens when you have a deeper interest in what you are doing. Because we have a superficial interest in what we do, because we just on the surface are in contact with what we are trying to do. It is this superficial relationship that we share with our task that is the ground from where procrastination, inattention and all the distraction emerges from. जितना ऊपरी हम तौर पे अपने काम से जुड़े हुए होंगे, जितना वो फॉर्मेलिटी होगा हमारे लिए, उतना ही हम उसको प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करेंगे.